Hello, I'm Darren Bannocks. I'm the proud fourth generation of this family business. My great-grandfather opened the business in Digbeth, Birmingham in 1884. 5 generations later, with my nephew Ben, we are here to serve you. Finding a memorial business that carries on such a long and proud tradition, manufacturing with excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail, is unusual and underlines our experience and unrivaled flexibility to create the perfect memorial for you. Our customer service revolves around giving you the time and space you need and working with you every step of the way, from choice of stone to providing you with the finished product. At Bannocks Memorials, we are extremely proud to produce only the highest quality memorials using handed down traditional methods together with modern techniques and the finest quality materials. We are proud of our tradition and heritage when we see memorials crafted by my great-grandfather himself in burial grounds to this day. Please give us a call or pay us a visit. Ben and I are here for you to listen to your requirements.